So, this is it. So, ang tagal nating hinintay tong araw na to.
Excited na ako para sa araw na to, para sa ating wedding mamaya.
Nagkagusto ako sa kanya. Mabuti siyang tao kasi, mabuti siyang tao. He's very humble. No, he's very kind, he's very gentle, he's very understanding, he's very patient. Hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa lahat ng taong nakapaligid sa kanya.
After namin makagraduate, nagkatrabaho, dun talaga ako formally na nanligaw sa kanya. Nagpaalam sa mga magulang niya. And then, yun, after ilang months, yun, naging kami.
Hi, love. 10 years ago, at this exact date, November 8, 2013, when our first date happened. Nakakatawa lang alalahanin na sinuong natin yung bagyong Yolanda that time para lang makapag-date tayo sa SM. And today, November 8, 2023, umulan ulit siya, pero thank God, umaraw naman. No? And we are celebrating our decade journey of love.
Aren, love, ikaw ang pinakamagandang babae sa araw na ito at sa lugar na ito. We've just been dreaming for this moment before, but now we are here on this altar, na sa lahat in front of God and in front of the people.
I've loved you for exactly 10 years now. Today, I become your wife and get the privilege of loving you for the rest of your life.
I love you more than words can express, and I can't wait to spend my life with you. From this day forward, I will love you more with all I am and all that I have. And with all that I am and all that I have, I pledge my love to you now and always. I love you, Aren.
Just can't help myself. I'm standing here on the edge of a moment. Words don't.
I am sure that you will be the best father in my world. I am so proud that I married a man whose rib I came from. My best friend, my brother in faith, my partner in everything. Pastor Neil Patrick Makapulay, now my husband. Kita, ngayon at magpakailanman.